patients with chronic bruxism, this treatment is life-changing. You're not just treating a muscle, you're giving back people their sleep, their comfort and their peace of mind. I'm Dr. Farmer, Medical Director of the Bruxism Clinic and Dr. Aesthetica. If you're waking up with jaw tension, headaches, or you've been told that you grind your teeth, you might be dealing with something called bruxism. It's incredibly common, often overlooked, and luckily very treatable. Bruxism is a medical term for clenching and grinding your teeth, especially during sleep. Some patients also notice they're doing it during the day. Many patients don't even realise they're doing it until all the symptoms keep piling up. The symptoms can include jaw pain, tension headaches, even pain around the ears or temples. By targeting the muscle here, the masseter muscle, and this is one of the main chewing muscles, by placing small, carefully measured doses of Botox into this area, we reduce the overactivity of the muscle. You'll start to feel a difference within 1 to 2 weeks, with the best results being around 4 weeks later. Most patients talk about relief of tightness, less jaw fatigue, and a more restful sleep. We always see patients back at our 4-week mark. At that point, if you're still getting symptoms like clenching or tension, we can safely add more Botox if needed to fine-tune the result. Patients with chronic bruxism, this treatment is life-changing. You're not just treating a muscle, you're giving back people their sleep, their comfort, and their peace of mind. For those who struggle with tension, pain, or the constant clench, come in for a consultation. We'll take our time to assess your symptoms, how they're affecting you, and create you a personalised treatment plan. At Dr. Aesthetica, we're here to help you feel better, inside and out.